Tell me about your business. It's exciting what you offer.
Yes, so my business is a mobile laundry valet service. So what we do is we pick up and we deliver. I love laundry. I like making a connection. You know, folding clothes is more than just folding clothes. You're learning more about the person, you know, their culture, where they come from, what they like, dislike, and everything like that. Some people like their clothes rolled. Some people like their clothes ironed. Some people like theirs folded the sandwich way, you know.
And so you customize it just for them?
Yes, we focus on personalization and customization. So you can learn more about me on senialaundry.com, and right now I'm just mobile, so everywhere.
Is there an email they can contact you with?
Yes, so that's westsenia36@gmail.com.
And what area do you work out of?
Goldsboro, North Carolina. Martin Brossman's class with Ben is very informative. I strongly recommend it. Come check it out.